Once upon a time in a lush green jungle, there lived a young peacock named Peter who was obsessed with taking photos.
Peter wanted to look good, like really, really good.
So he would spend hours posing for the perfect shot, adjusting his feathers just right and striking the perfect pose. One day, Peter decided that he wanted to take the most amazing photo ever. So he stood in front of a beautiful waterfall and took photo after photo after photo. He took 50 photos, but none of them were perfect. No, my feathers look wrong, he would say, and he would make them pose again and again. But here's what he didn't see. Right behind him, a real rainbow was forming in the sky. It shimmered and shone. But Peter didn't notice because he was too busy taking photos of himself.
When he finally looked up, the rainbow was gone.
All the other animals were playing and having fun in the water, but Peter just wanted to take more photos. He stood alone,
Striking pose after pose, missing out on all the fun.
A monkey grabbed his tail and swung him around. "Hey, let's take a photo," she said. Peter shook her off and said, No, you don't understand.
I have to get the perfect photo. The monkey rolled her eyes and walked away.
As the sun began to set, Peter looked through all the photos he had taken. They all looked the same.
They were perfect, but they were empty. He felt empty. Was this happiness?
He wondered.
Just then, an old, wise peacock walked by.
He saw Peter and asked, "Why the long face? Little one." Peter showed the peacock his photos. "Look at these," he said. "I took hundreds of photos, but I don't have any real memories. I don't have any fun photos. All I have are poses." The old peacock smiled and said, "That's because you were too busy posing to actually enjoy yourself. You missed the rainbow, didn't you?"
Peter nodded sadly.
The old peacock put a wing around Peter and said,
"Let me show you something."
he led Peter to his own album.
Inside were photos of him and his friends playing and having fun. The photos weren't perfect. The angles were off and their feathers were all messy, but they were joyful. The old peacock showed Peter photos of him as a baby, photos of him in his first flight, photos of him meeting his friends for the first time. "These are the moments that matter," the old peacock said. "The messy photos, the imperfect ones, they show real joy. The perfect poses show nothing." Peter looked at the album and smiled. He realized that the old peacock was right. He had been so busy trying to take the perfect photo that he had missed all the fun. He had forgotten to just be a kid. From that day on, Peter played with his friends every day. They splashed in the waterfalls, swung from vine to vine, and laughed and told jokes. And sometimes, when Peter got a little bored, he would strike a pose and his friends would take a photo. It wasn't perfect, but it was fun. And that Peter knew was what mattered most. The end.